Welcome friends, fellow meat enthusiasts. Doing a simple butterfly drumstick today. We got it nice and seasoned with some buffalo ranch, and we putting them right over the fire here. The thought behind this is it's cheaper than a chicken wing, and when we add the buffalo sauce and some blue cheese, it's kind of a budget buy wing. You may have seen our video chicken wing hack where we did the same idea with a whole chicken cutting into bits, which works amazingly. I just saw a sale on this and thought it was a good idea. We took our cast iron skillet, added some buffalo sauce, some butter, some garlic, some red pepper, and some Italian dressing. Got our sauce all melded together, so we went ahead and we took some potatoes and we threw them in the microwave to get them nice and soft. Covered them in truffle salt, and now we're cooking them in truffle oil in our cast iron skillet over the fire with the chicken. As a cheap wing alternative, cooking all on the same setting outside, not dirtying up your kitchen. The overall taste, the crispy potato, the buffalo sauce, the chicken. Overall, I give that 9 out of 10 tennis balls. Thanks for watching. We kept that one a little short because I wanted to introduce you to Val here, the newest member of the Steak Wolf family. Little fun fact I didn't even know about until after I had her. The Rottweiler is known as the butcher's dog because they used to herd the livestock and literally pull carts of meat to market. Pretty cool. Kind of fitting for this channel.